Hello class. So today this program, the question is write a program to accept a sentence which may be terminated by either dot, question mark or exclamation mark only. Any other character may be ignored. The word may be separated by more than one blank space and are in uppercase. Perform the following task. A. Accept the sentence and reduce all the extra blank space between two words to a single blank space. Number B. Accept a word from the user which is part of the sentence along with its position number and delete the word and display the sentence. So the sample input is we have to delete a word from a sentence. Okay. So the sample input is as you saw, so you reap. Because all the sentence has to be, all the words has to be in uppercase. Okay. Now here, see, suppose this is the sample input. So here, this is so and so is repeating. So we need to delete one so, okay, from the sentence. So we need to ask the user what to be deleted. What to be deleted. So user will enter so. Then we have to ask what position in the sentence. Which position of this so has to be deleted. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So position of deletion equals to position equals to 4. Now the sample output will be as you saw, so as you saw, so sorry, this will be deleted. So you reap will be the sample output. Okay. Now let us see what this program is doing. I have done this in main. Okay. So import java io.star class ss public static void main buffered reader br equals to new buffered reader. New input stream reader system.end. I have used the short forms of buffer reader and input stream reader because it will take more space in the board. Okay. You have to write the full buffer reader input stream reader. Now in the earlier class I told you that I am going to use string tokenizer. That is why I am going to use buffer reader because buffer reader is compatible with string tokenizer. Now these are the variables. Now enter a string. So enter a string ending with dot, question mark and exclamation mark. So I am taking input here str br.readline. Okay, str. That means the value of str is now as you saw, so you read. Now str.to uppercase, whatever the user is entering this input, we are converting it into uppercase. Now str.length will find the length of the string. Now str.caret length minus 1. So whatever the length of the string will be length minus 1, that means it will give us the last character. So the value of last will be suppose dot. Now we are checking if last not equals to dot, not equals to question mark, not equals to exclamation mark, then what will happen? We will ask the user that it is invalid. Okay. If it is not true, then we will go to the else part. Enter the word to be deleted. So the word to be deleted we are taking in this example so, and we are converting it into uppercase. Now enter the word position number. So position number of the word so is 4. So the value of POS will be 4. Now string tokenizer st equals to new tokenizer str. This str, the value of this str is what? This as you saw, so you read. Then comma, then within the double quotes that dot, question mark and exclamation mark. That means this will exclude the last character. Okay, this will take only this words, these tokens. So here we are passing this string, okay, this input as you saw, so you read, and now the value of st contains all the input sentence. That means the value of st is now as you saw, so you read. We have done this in class 11 also. So now st, the value of st is this input, the entire sentence. Now st dot count token function will do what? It will count the number of words. Okay, straight away it will count the number of words in a sentence. So the value of ntalk will be 7 because it contains 7 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if position, the value of the position is what? 4. If position will be less than 1 or position greater than 7, so what will happen? It will give us invalid position. But here it is true. Okay, so we will go to the else part. Now I equals to 1, I less than 7, I plus plus. st dot next tokens. What st dot not tokens is doing? It is extracting word by word and putting it into str1. So the value of str1 is now s. Now we are checking str1, that means s is equal to del. The value of del is what? So this one. So the value of del is SO and the value of str is AS. Dot equals del equals to true, which is not true here, it is false because AS is not equals to SO, and I equals to position has to be fulfilled. That means we are checking both the condition that the string will be equal as well as the position entered by the user has also to be equal. Then we will delete the word. So this is true and this is also true because the value of I is 1 and the position is 4. So it will come here. Okay. So this loop will again I plus plus. So the value of I will be 2 and u will be extracted here coming. Here in the value of str1 because the next token is u. Okay, again u is equal to so no. So again I plus plus so w. So str, the value of str1 will be so w is not equals to so. So when I plus plus, then so will be extracted by this st dot next token in str1. Now the value of str1 is so, which is equals to true, satisfied, and now here the value of I is 4 and the value of position is also 4. This is also satisfied, so this condition is true. So what it will do? It will continue. That means it will skip the word so. Okay, earlier when it was not satisfying, what it was doing? It was just adding the value of str. That means first the value of str was as. So the value of str2 was what? Blank plus str means as, then u. So str2, the value of str2 is as and str1 is u. And then saw. So saw. Now after this, when the value of I is 1, this so is satisfied with this deleted word so. So now it will continue, that means it will skip the so and it will go again I plus plus. So it will again put this u. No, it will extract this so again. So this is again satisfying so equals to so, but now the value of I is 5, which is not equals to position 4. So both the condition has to be satisfied because there is and condition. So this so will not be deleted and it will again come here. That means the value of str as you saw, and the value of str1 is so then it will continue like that. So this will be the final output. As you saw, so you read. After coming out of this loop, number of tokens I am printing, but it is not asking the question. So anyway, I have printed whatever is. So it will come here, number of tokens, string after deletion, str2. That means as you so you read. And there is a trim function, because if there is any extra spaces are there, so it will remove it. Plus last, that means the value of last will be a dot or equal a dot or exclamation mark or question mark as specified in the question. Clear?